Come on, come up. Drop the knife.
Put it down, dude.
Fall back. Line up.
Rico.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife. Put it down.
Back up, guys. Back it up.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife. Put it down.
Come on.
Rico, put it down, dude. Hey, put it down. Put it on the ground.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Put it down.
Drop the knife. Drop it.
Put the fucking knife down.
Drop the knife.
Put it down. Drop the knife. Drop it. Roll away from it.
Roll away from the knife.
Rico, back up.
Back up, guys.
Arms out. Arms out. Hey, line up, guys. Line up. Arms out to your side. Arms out to your side.
Hey, the knife is away, bro.
All right, Rico, stay where you're at. Don't move. I'm going around behind you.
Come inside.
This way.
Get down. Get down.
I'm going to taser.
Taser. No joy.
Somebody go ahead.
Tasers off.
Mike, my gun. You got it. Get these first. Pull his jacket. Up. Hey, put it back.
Hey. Come on.
One suspect detained.
Hey, I got somebody coming walking.
Hey, let me check this guy here. Okay. Drop the gun! Drop the gun, man! Drop the knife, bro! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Back up, brother! Get on the ground!
Drop the knife. Down.
Get on the ground!
Down, dude.
Get on the ground, man!
Put it on the ground. Drop the knife.
Back up!
The knife.
Back up!
Drop the knife. Put it down.
Drop it, man! Drop it! Drop it!
Roll
Drop it!
Roll away from the knife. Rico, back up.
I got it.
Arms out.
I got it.
Arms out.
Down! Hey,
Line up, guys. Line up.
bro.
Arms out to your side. Arms out to your side.
Hey, the knife is away, bro.
All right, Rico, stay where you're at. Don't move. I'm going around behind you. I got him. Get this way.
I'm gonna get. Hey, stay down! Down!
Taser.
Jason!
I'm going to taser. Tase.
Hey!
Got him. Somebody go ahead.
Hands on!
Tasers off.
Mike, my gun. I got it. Get these first. Pull his jacket up. Hey, put it back! Hey! Come on! Hey, Alagna, I got somebody coming, walking over here. Black jacket, black pants. Right here, Lag. This way to your right. Hey, get cover right here. Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Right next to you, right next to you, right next to
We got one at gunpoint. One at gunpoint. Giving commands. Hey, y'all get back. Y'all get back.
you. Nice. Put it down, dude.
I got you.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife!
Put it down.
Back up, guys. Back up, guys. Back up.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife!
Put it down.
Drop the knife!
Knife.
Watch out, T. Watch out, T.
Drop the knife. Put it down. Drop the knife. Put it. Drop the fucking knife. Put the fucking knife down.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Suspect's down. He still has the knife in his hand. Drop the knife!
Drop it. Roll away from it. Roll.
Drop the knife!
Rico, back up, back up. I got it. Arms out.
Arms out! I got you. I got you. I got you.
Line up, guys, line up.
Hold on.
Arms out to your side.
Arms out to your side!
Hey, the knife is away, bro.
All right, Rico,
I know.
stay where you're at. Don't move. I'm going around behind you.
I got him. I got him. I got him.
Wait.
Hold on!
Get down! Get down!
Hey, tase him! Tase him! Tase him!
I'm going to tase him.
Tase! Tase! Tase!
I'm going to tase him.
Taser deployed. Taser deployed. Go! Somebody go hands! Somebody go hands! Somebody go hands!
Taser's off. Taser's off. Taser's off. Mike,
I got you. I got you. I got you, brother.
1-840. Suspect going into custody. You get HFD to roll up. I got one on the ground. Unresponsive. Bleeding.
Hey, put it back.
Move back.
We've got a patient who's going to be a apartment number 717. Patient who's going to be apartment number 717.
Hey, I got somebody walking over here. Black jacket, black pants, right here.
Where? Rico, get him. I got him. Check him out. Where?
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Right next to you. Right next to you. Right next to you.
We got one at gunpoint.
So one at gunpoint 330. I just on the air as well.
Put it down, dude. Rico, don't get past.
Drop the
Hey,
knife!
put it down.
Guys, back up, guys.
Back it up. Back it up.
Drop the knife!
He's got a knife in his right hand.
Drop the knife!
Put it down. Rico, I'm coming near you. Put it down, dude. Hey, put it down. Put it on the ground.
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Drop the knife!
Put it down. Drop the fucking knife. Put the fucking knife down. Put it down.
He shut up the knife in his hand.
Drop the knife!
Shots fired. Shots fired at 331.
Roll away from it. Roll away. Rico, back up. Back up. Arms out.
Arms out! I got you.
Yep, line up, guys, line up. Arms out to your side.
Arms out to your side!
Hey, the knife is away, bro.
All right, Rico, stay where you're at. Don't move. I'm going around behind you. Get this way. Get this way.
I'm gonna... Hey,
Don't move. Don't move.
hey, taser, taser! Taser!
I'm going to taser.
Taser!
Going to taser. Didn't hit. Try it again. Got him. Got him. Do not fucking move. Go hands. Go hands. Taser's off. Taser's off. Taser's off. 1-840. Suspect going into custody. Let me get HFD to roll up. I got one on the ground. Unresponsive. Bleeding. Suspect's been shot. He's been tased. And he's getting in cuffs now. Yo! Up, 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 up!
Detained. Suspect one in custody. 1 animal 7. Going to start.
Yeah, check him out.
That's clear. First aid starting 332.
All right, hey, we got one down here unresponsive. Sorry, one down here unresponsive bleeding. He's likely he's been shot.
Right now.
Any officers injured?
Black male, 50.
Don't fucking move, dude.
Quit moving.
Stop moving.
Yes, sir.
Is he hit? I can't see. Stop moving, dude. Hey, we need more people. We need more people. He's fighting. Stop fucking moving, dude. Yeah, they're on the way. They're on the way.
I'm in route.
I need at least one of y'all over here.
Moving!
I got his legs.
All right, suspect shot and still fighting. HFD's here. Thank you.
Yes, sir.